Hello everyone. So now let us start 1.3 exercise of class 9 NCERT. First question is a very simple question. We need to express it in the decimal expansion of the given rational numbers. Like this, another example like this. So I think you can do all the questions very easily. Let's go to the next question. So the question is saying that 1 by 7 is this much. If 1 by 7 is this much, then how will you calculate 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 like this? So we'll just multiply 3 with this, 2 with this accordingly. Like this, and on and on. Now the next question, question number 3 is very important. We need to express the given rational number into p by q form. Let's take the easiest example. So let us take number as x. So 10x will be 6.666. We will subtract 1 from 2. So we will get this. See, our main aim is to eliminate this part. Okay, the portion behind the decimal is the problematic one. So we will anyhow just eliminate this part, and always remember this one. So this is the p by q form of 6 by 9 is the p by q form of 0.6 bar. Let's do another part and you'll get this clear. See, the bar is over 7 only. It's not on the 4. Okay, so remember this. So we are taking x as 0.47 bar. So 10x will become this. Now, if I subtract these two part, the annoying part, that is the repeating part, will be eliminated or not? Yes, it will be eliminated. So we can do this. We can subtract these two parts. I am not writing the statement part. Please always write the statements. It is very important. So in this way, the repeating 7 will be eliminated and we will get 9x equal to 4. So the required rational number is this one. Alternatively, we can do another thing here at this step. We will directly multiply by 100 so that here the 7 comes like this. And now we will subtract 100x with 10x because this is 4.777 and this have 77 after the decimal. So the answer will be same. Next, question number 4, we need to convert 0.9 bar into p by q. So now x turns out to be 1. So that is what the second part is questioning you, that is there any surprised? Are you surprised with your answer? See, the surprise is that x is equal to 1, but it was 0.9 bar. See, 0.9, this 9 is infinite times. And since it is infinite times, it is almost equivalent to 1 only. So the decimal representation of 0.99999 infinite will be almost equal to 1. And this is the proof of it. Next, question number 5. You just have to calculate 1 by 17. That is, just divide 1 by 17. So this is your homework and I need the answer up to 14th decimal places. So please remember, I need the answer up to 14 decimal places. Next, question number 6. So a rational number can be written in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay, and p and q should be co-prime. Co-prime means HCF of those two numbers is 1. Okay, HCF should be 1. So p and q are co-prime number. And the question number 6 is asking what should be the property of q so that the number would be a terminating one. The decimal expansion of this number would be a terminating one. So q prime factors, that is 2 or 5 or both, and nothing else than that. So that is your answer. Q must have in its factor as 2 or 5 or both only. So question number 7, they are asking examples, 3 examples that are non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, so decimal expansion you can write, and I'll be giving you one example like this 71711 7111. This will go on, but it will not be repeated and it will not be terminated. So non-terminating, non-repeating. Very easy. Now question number 8 is almost same as question 7, just the difference is they are asking 3 different irrational numbers in between these two numbers. So we have done in exercise 1 3 or 4 rational number between two rational numbers. Now they are asking 3 different irrational number between 2 rational numbers. So first of all, we will convert this rational number into decimals. So these are the 2 decimal numbers. This is repeating and this is also repeating, but not at this point. So like the previous one, we will just have to give an example like this, but the number should be in between these two numbers. So all you need to care about is the number should be in between these two numbers. So the last question is very easy. We need to classify that the numbers are rational or irrational. So first one is 23 root over 23. The prime number having a square root is always an irrational number, and 225 root over that is 15 square. So the answer is 15, and 15 is irrational number. So like this we can answer all the parts. Thank you. Let us complete the exercise number 1.4 here. Question number 1 is visualizing this number on the number line by successive magnification. So always remember, you have to start with the normal number line, as we have been studying from class 6, and always remember these gappings should be equal. If it is not equal, your answer is totally wrong. Now we know that this number is lying between 3 and 4, so we will magnify 3 and 4 like this, and know that the number lie and 3.8 like this. Now again we know that the number is lying between 3.76 and 3.77 like this. So after 3.769 it is 3.77 like that. After 3.79 it is 3.80, that is 3.8 only, and we need to mark the given question, that is 3.765. so this is 3.765. so this is our required answer. Understood? So I hope you understood about this question, and the next question is exactly same. It is just asked that the number should be 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places. That means like this you have to show in the number line by successive magnification. So thank you for today. Stay home, stay safe, and keep preparing.